would ask those individuals who wish to speak in opposition to 14-1 to please approach the lectern.
Hello. Don Pavak, 5400 South Colorado Road, representing myself and the farmers and ranchers of the farm group in this county. I'm not going to go into hypotheticals or what ifs. I'm going to tell you what I don't understand. I'm going to ask you questions. I'm coming to the horse's mouth. Is it true that the county commissioners instructed Mr. Knight to go to the planning commission and ask for this change?
I didn't hear anything about it.
Mr. Commissioner?
Yeah. In January of last year, as I said in my introduction, the issue of natural expansion doctrine was an issue that loomed large in the decision, and we asked the county attorney to explore that issue and bring it back to us.
You said it was a problem?
It was, no, I said the natural expansion doctrine played a significant part in the court case ruling by the judge. Would he explore that issue and bring it back to the commission? Now, I had full agreement with the commissioners to explore that, and that's what we're doing here tonight.
I am telling you what I am told by those who contacted me and my organization and neighbors. This is what it looks like to us poor people. Okay? Right, wrong, or indifferent, I'm going to tell you what it sounds like and what the people out there are thinking is going on here. I don't care if it's going on or not. If it is, it shouldn't be. But I am told by several people, not only people in my organization, but neighbors, here's the county commissioners whining in their beer because they got a whooping in court and bad advice from their attorney. Now wait a minute, pal, I ain't done. The other thing is, they are saying that you guys are attacking our rights and our private property, and you shouldn't be messing with us and leave us alone. Now that's what I am being told. Right, wrong, or indifferent. That's the impression that's out there. You ought to know about it. And I speak against this because leave us alone. Just leave things as they are. Quit fooling with it and leave us alone. You got a question?
No, I have a question. I would take exception to taking a whipping and reacting negatively. I think if you recall, there was in this same document, this court finding of Judge Sullivan. Sullivan was a finding that upheld the Natrona property owned by Joneses. Excuse me, I'm talking now. And in March or April of this year, a request came through for a conditional use permit, which in negotiation with the attorney for the Jones at the time, his representations and facts were accepted as they were, and a conditional use permit was granted. Now, does that sound like I mean, that would have been the prime example to say no, but in reality, we accommodated the landowners at the time with the request that we found was reasonable. Whether they were the Joneses or anybody else, I believe that is the way this commission has, and to be honest with you, that granting of the CUP totally belies the argument that you just presented and your neighbors have presented. Now, this is an issue. I've told you early, and I'll tell you the third time. This came to us as a request to understand a very complex doctrine referred to in a court case that we, to be honest with you, existed in my knowledge only in the 1998 plan by reference, which I found here of late. So to think that we have prejudged this is erroneous.
I'll tell the people who talked to me what you said. I'm not accusing you of a damn thing. I'm telling you the information that's being brought to me, and they asked me to come here and present it to you so that you'll have it. Now, what you do with it is your business. And if you want to take it personal, that's fine. Go ahead. But it's not personal. It's information that the people in this county who are in my area and in my business, it's the impression that's there. You want to correct it, you get after it. I'm telling you, that's what I'm told. It's not personal in any way, shape, or form. But if you want to take it that way, you go ahead. Anybody got a question?
I don't believe there's any further questions.